cake?
I do.
Here, Mama. I'll help you.
Okay, let's bake a cake.
But you know, my hands don't work too good, and my arms, you'll have to really help me, I guess.
Mommy, maybe you should bake it and we watch.
That sounds like a good idea.
Mommy, why are we making a cake?
Because Valentine's Day is coming up.
When is Valentine's Day?
February 14th.
Oh, I'm excited.
That's not too awful long away.
Mommy, will you be my Valentine?
Sure, Lucy.
Okay.
I'll be only your Valentine.
Oh, and Mommy's so nice. Okay, Mommy, let's get that cake made.
Okay, so we got a tart by pouring in the cake mix.
Then what, Mommy?
Well, good thing you asked, because then we have to get the other ingredients. We've got some salt.
For a cake?
Yeah, Lucy.
Oh, this must be a special kind of cake. Okay.
Yeah, it must be. You've never heard of using salt in cake before.
Well, this is my specialty.
Okay, Mommy.
And then we've got...
What is that, Mom? You got olive oil?
Yep,
What is that for?
for the cake.
Is this cake gonna be good?
Is it, Mommy?
Yes, it's going to be very good cake.
No.
What's that?
Oh, we've got butter.
Oh.
I've heard of using butter in cake before.
Mommy, are you still wearing that old Halloween tattoo on your hand?
Yep, I am.
Mommy, it don't matter how much you scrub that thing, it just ain't coming off for a while.
I know, Lucy.
What is?
Some
What's that?
alphabet soup.
Oh.
Well, this is gonna be a strange cake.
Oh, silly.
Mama always makes good cakes.
She's putting some weird
Tuna
ingredients
fish.
in it.
I don't know about that. But if you say so, Mommy.
And then we need some hot boiling water, which I've got right here in this cup.
Oh, okay.
Be careful, don't burn yourself.
Okay, so now we need to put everything in here.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to put the water in first.
Okay.
Now the tuna fish.
Wow, this is gonna be like a meal and a cake.
Oh, silly.
Mommy, are you sure you know what you're doing?
I sure.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, you got it ready to go? You gonna stir it up now?
First, I have to turn on the stove. And now put it on, and now I'll turn.
Okay, don't you have to bake it?
Yep.
Why you put it on the stove right first, Mommy? Oh, it's a special cake, remember?
Oh, yeah.
And it's almost ready. Now I just have to put that in the lid, and now...
Into the oven?
Yep. Oh my, the lid's coming off. It's all done.
Already? That was quick, Mom.
I know.
Let's see.
Oh, it's super pretty.
Wow. Oh, wow, and you made a special thing like somebody'd already cut a piece out of it. How did you do that?
It's a special cake, Dakota.
Oh, well, let's eat some of it.
Okay, I'll grab a plate. Here, you guys can share because you're brother and sister. And here's your utensil.
Thank you, Mom.
Can you feed it to us?
Okay, here you go. One bite for you. And then Lucy, I know you always like to eat with a spoon.
That's
That
delicious.
sure is good cake, whatever it's called.
It's
What's
actually called Zeros.
Zeros.
Zero?
Zeros.
Oh.
What a weird name for a cake. But it sure is good.
Like and subscribe. Bye.